break out of the imposter syndrome. It's very common to get questions wrong in medical school. You will really freeze when an attending asks you a question on rounds and you will make mistake. But the difference between average students and top students in medical school is that average students look at a low grade on a practice block and think, I'm not smart enough, I don't belong here. That is the voice of imposter syndrome. But the top students see every incorrect question as a gift. They will try to fill that gap before they get confused in really practical scenarios like on bedside. I hope if you make these mindset shifts, you will be really successful in medical school. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.